With Mother's Day less than 2 weeks away, I'm sure you've already begun the hunt for a gift, but not all moms are easy to shop for. That's why California Live's Danielle Nottingham is live in Sherman Oaks with celebrity lifestyle and wellness entrepreneur Sima Cohen. Danny, what are Sima's favorites?
Okay, we've got some really cool stuff to show you, Jess, and I have to admit, I'm one of those people. I never know what to get my mom. I'm out of ideas, I think, at this point, but that's why, come on in here, Sima. We have Sima with us here today.
So good to see you.
It's so good to see you. You're going to help us through one of the most important days of the year for moms,
I am.
right?
I got you covered.
All right, so where do we get started here?
All right, the Azure specializes in premium handmade beach products that make relaxation an attainable luxury. Their flagship product is the head hammock, perfect for lying down at the beach, in a park, or wherever you lie horizontally. Perfect for mom. I love the design. I love the color. Really fabulous.
Oh, this is fun. I would use this too. This is a nice beach day.
Should we show them?
Are we going to lay on the ground or you just want to? Okay, there you
Let's
go.
pretend. Right here. This is just fabulous.
Yeah.
And you can find them at azurco.com.
All right, perfect. What do we have next?
All right. Good skincare shouldn't be expensive.
No.
Liana's Natural is clean, vegan, cruelty-free skincare with natural ingredients that won't break the bank. It's a family-owned and made in the U.S. They have retinol and vitamin C line using their eye cream and charcoal face scrub. I love this. It went viral on TikTok, over 100,000 plus reviews, and you can find them in lianasnatural.com.
Oh, Sima, this is silky, and it's smooth, and it absorbs real fast. It doesn't feel heavy.
That's right.
Oh, I like
and
that.
woman-owned.
And woman-owned.
We like that. We like
All
that.
right, what do we have here?
All right, Refined Beauty, another vegan skincare that gives you smoother, radiant skin that says goodbye to fine lines and wrinkles. Hello, we like that. Their secret superfoods and antioxidants that fade dark spots, giving you that even skin tone you have been dreaming of. Chamomile, it has green tea, it calm irritated skin and reduce redness. I love that. And you can find them at refinedbeautyskin.com.
Can I try a little bit?
Absolutely.
My hand's going to feel really good after this. Oh,
I'll do that too.
And you know what? It's not a strong fragrance either, so that's really good.
Some people have allergic, so it's good.
Yeah, all right. And so, of course, what do we want to treat mom to?
All right. So if mom needs some much-needed R&R, the 14,000 square foot Spa Vea is located within Vea Resort in Newport Beach, local. It opened in 2022 as part of a multi-million-dollar refresh of the luxury Newport Beach Hotel. Spa Vea will be offering a free gift for mom when you book a treatment over Mother's Day weekend, and you can use the code CHERISH to reserve in advance at spavea.com. They are also offering treatments during the week for $175 discount, and you can find them at Vea inside Vea Newport Beach Hotel.
And you also get a little bit of a gift with a gift, right?
Right. It comes with at the spa. I love their product. I don't know if you ever tried this scrub. It's fabulous.
Put it on my hand. My hand wants all the...
It's nice. It's really light. It's not too heavy. And it smells divine.
It smells divine. It smells relaxing. It smells like the ocean. Like you could put both of these together. Okay, if people want more information on any of these products or any suggestions that you have, where can we find you?
They can follow me on Instagram at Sima Cohen Official.
All right, Jess. We're gearing up for Mother's Day, so hopefully we've inspired some gifts here today.
I put a few on my list. Thank you.